Hello friends, welcome back in channel Stock Technicals. In this video, we are going to talk about Ddev Plastiks Industry. Basically, this company is a very new age company and very new listing company. Since listing, stock price surged more than 92% and gave us a multi-bagger return. And if you are invested in this company or if you want to invest in this company, this video should be very beneficial for you because we are going to talk about more details about the companies we have got. And why I'm making this video in English. For the answer, let's go to the comment box, guys. In a previous video of Ddev Plastiks Industries, I got a comment from a family member from South India. They don't understand Hindi because they belongs to South India and they better understand in English. But I am not comfortable to speak English and this is my first video in English. So if I pronounce any wrong words, please forgive me. And for any question, query, drop a comment if you are comfortable to understand. Let's get to the point. Company net sales has increasing by 1550 crores. Company has a 350 employees, 7 offices with a 6 manufacturing sites. And if we talk about the company's product, company has making a very wide product to use to make cable wires and cable jackets and cable covers for and making chairs and kids toy and widely used in auto industries. The group was established in 1977 with a niche of equality polymer compounder in India. Under the dynamic stewardship of a chairman Mr. MD Narendra Surana, the group has calmed with a compounded in India. And so the company has a very honest leadership with a capacity of 3 lakhs ton per annum, and the company also creating a low medium wire cables industries jackets. Company has a world class R&D setup with a building a strong relationship with the supplier and customer. This is the advantage of the Ddev Plastiks Industries. Company has an operating profitability in the range of 4 to 7% over last 5 years. For the more details, you can visit their website to get more details and read properly to making a good decision. After demerge by Kalpana Industries, Ddev Plastiks Industries Limited is a public incorporated 7 December 2020. It is a classified non-government company and it's registered at a registrar of companies Kolkata and authorized share capital is a 1 crore 15 lakh only and its paid up capital shares are 1 lakh for involve a manufacturer of other chemicals. If we talk about the Ddev Plastiks Industries of directors, here you can read the name of their directors: Mamta Binani and Narendra Surana, Rajesh Kothari, Ramya Hariharan, Samir Kumar Datta and Ddev Surana are the director of this company as of now. Stock price touched last day a new 52-week high and company has spent more than 1.83% of its operating revenue toward interest expansion and 1.49% toward employee cost this year. Company sales are increased by previous last June quarter but decreased by last March quarter. Company has a 5% of profit margin while net profit has increased by 14 crore. It is increased by 3 crore previous years and 4 crores decreased by previous quarter. If we talk about the shareholding pattern about the company, promoter has a majority shareholder about the 74% of stake and public have a 25% of stake about Ddev Plastiks Industries. Company has a very well diversified portfolio about the product range which is work with the auto industries and kits and for cable industries also. And if we talk about the company's directors, there are 6 member of directors. In conclusion, if I going to be talk about the conclusion of in this video, the company is a very bright future and in a very increasing mode. And if we talk about the market cap increased by 240 crores previous video. When we were talking in the video, there was a market cap about 500 crores of Ddev Plastiks and as of now if you're going to see the market cap increased by 740 crore or even 778 crore. So if you get any dip in this company, you can make a plan to invest in this company. This company is based on BSE. It is a BSE listed company. You can't find this company on NSE. And if it going to discuss about the level, if it get a 75 rupees or 70 rupees level, it will be a good buying for the long term purpose. And go with the minimum amount, because the market cap is a less than 1000 crore. So you can try to make a investment planning with a 1% of your whole portfolio, or you can make a daily basis of your PNL amount. I'm not comfortable to speak in English. So if you have any question, query, drop a comment in a comment box. If you like this video, smash the like button. And if you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel for the more details. And select the all for the all notifications that. And we will see you in next video. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye for now. God bless.